Okay. Now, yesterday we are done with apply integer operations, right? And we have homework. First, let's check the homework together. Happens. Thank you. Let's check the homework together of yesterday. First, let me see who did his homework. Which page, guys? Yeah. Let me see your homework. What? Yesterday when I was studying at night, I took a note that I had many mistakes. So I did not have the time to like rewrite them, but I have yeah. Yes. Homework. What? You know the homework? Like this. Homework. No. Let's check the homework, put the answers, and if you don't understand any question, we will do it on the board. Am I recording? طب Now, we are on page 169. We are on 16 September. Stop talking, please. Just check your answers. 1, we have negative 39. 2, negative 11. 3, 22. 4, 72. 5, negative 105. 6, negative 54. 7, negative 6. 8, 14. 9, negative 7. 10, negative 48. 11, 10, 12, 16, 13, negative $200, and 14, negative 70 students. Wait, Allah. Now, these are the questions or the answers of the homework. I'll start with the online students, okay? Now, guys, in the online students, if you have any questions about these answers here, if you don't understand any question in the homework, you can ask me now. Put your hands. Online students, again, if you have any questions about the homework, put your hands. Fine. Good. Ahmed al-Jundi, which one you didn't understand? Question 7, 8, and 9. Good. Now in question 7, we have A, how much? -2. B is 3. C is -12, right? طيب. And D. We have D also. How much? -4. Now in question 7, Ya Muhammad, they want us to calculate BB over A plus C. Check. طيب. What's the first step we said? ماشي. What's the first step? ماشي ما اختلفناش. The first step what is it? يلا divide. أي we replace the variables by their values, right? يلا let's replace. كيف طعمه إصبعك زاكي؟ ركز يا ابني ركز. يلا this is equal BD. How much is B? 3 multiply D -4, right? -4 over A. How much A? -2 مش هيك؟ plus C مظبوط؟ هذه plus. يلا plus C. Plus C is -1. First we have here the fraction. We prepare it, then we add or subtract, right? Yeah, let's go with the fraction. Up what we have? 3 multiply -4. How much? لا. طيب ماشي مقبول. -12 over -2 plus -12, right? Now we divide then subtract. مش هيك؟ يلا -12 divided by -2. How much? Plus -12 -6. ممتاز. Understand it? Now in question 8 اكتب الستبس يا ابني عشان تفهم. لا تكتب بس الفاينل انسر غلط. يلا in question 8 هلا برجع لك. In question 8 we have AC over B minus A plus D between parentheses, right? طيب AC كم ال A? A is -2 means -2 multiply C which is -12, right? Over B which is 3 minus A -2 plus D -4. صح؟ أنا بس شلت ال variables وحطيت النمبرز مظبوط؟ Same idea تقريبا. So we prepare the fraction first. -2 multiply -12 positive 24. Why positive يا محمد? Similar signs. We said in multiplication and division, similar signs, the answer is positive. Now here, minus, and now let's prepare inside the bracket. Plus minus, -2, -4, -2, -4. -2 -4. كم هذه؟ هذه multiply divide. حلو. إذا هذه add subtract مظبوط؟ يلا شو الفورمولا إلها؟ أيوه. أنت أعطيت نص الأنسر. In addition and subtraction, if we have similar signs, we add and. شوف مع بعض حكوها قد ما عدناها لأنه الجيران حفظوها. يعني الجيران لو روح تقول لك آدم ضد السيم ساين هو بيحكي لأنه قد ما سمعها مني. فاهم؟ So here negative كم؟ 6. So we have negative from the question. And here the value is how much? So how many negative we have? 2 negatives. واحدة from the question comes down and the other one from the parenthesis. فاهم يا شكري؟ تأكد. يلا. Let's continue. Wait a minute. Now these 2 negatives يا محمد شو بتصير؟ Plus. Now 24 divided by 3. الله يعطيك العافية. ولا كيف 7؟ 8 plus 6 is 14. This is question 8. Now question 9. Question 9 we have a to the power or d هذه d or a in question 9. بالكم question 9 what we have d ولا b d to the power 3 over ايوه minus b. يلا شكري فاهم. يلا d how much is d? d is negative 4, so negative 4 to the power of over a is negative 2, negative 2 to the power of 2 minus c which is negative 12 plus b which is 3. First we prepare the fraction and the parentheses here, right? يعني prepare this, prepare here first. Got it? Yeah. So this is equal. How we find, yeah, Muhammad, negative 4 to the power of 3. Mumtaz. Multiply negative 4 by itself how many times? 3 times. So it will be negative over negative 2 power 2 means negative 2 times negative 2, 2 times. How much? Positive 4. مين بيحكي negative 4؟ كيف negative 4؟ ها تعال لا تحكي بتطلع ها negative 2 to the power 2 يعني negative 2 multiply negative 2 كم؟ سعاد يلا minus لا تفكر ها ولا طلعها تحطها 4 تحطها نيجاتيف 4 صح؟ غلط طبعا لانه حيطلع هذا لو حطيت هذه نيجاتيف 4 هذا حيطلع بوزيتيف بس هو اصلا هلا نيجاتيف كيف؟ minus the bracket minus 12 plus 3 different signs subtract and put the bigger. فاهم يا معاذ؟ يلا this will be what? Minus we have 2 negatives, one from the question and one from the answer of the parenthesis. Now together they will be what? Now here negative 64 divided by 4, negative 16. Different signs in division, the answer is negative, right? Plus 9. Guys, wait, I will tell Muhammad Jundi some good thing. Good thing. Negative 16 plus 9, we subtract and put the bigger sign. Yalla, it will be what? Negative 7. So the answer of it, negative 7. So I did question 7, 8, and 9. I'll back to the answers and the question 7. Else. يلا اوكي else. ها ايش بدك انت؟ ها ريد يا اخوي ريد. شو عرفك عن question 14 انك مش عارفه؟ هو محوش الكتاب بس question 14 مش فاهمه. طب يلا ريد. Population. So قبل 5 سنين كم كان عدد students here? 1600. Continue. تمام كان 1600 وصار 1250. Continue. Use the expression. Wait. Question ايش هذا؟ 14. They said to us use the expression n minus p over what? Over 5. أيوة. 2 when n represents the previous population. So how much is n? The previous. P is the previous one and is this year one, right? They said 5 years ago. فاهم يا محسن؟ مش فاهم. خلك بجيك على 11. خليك معنا ب 14 هلا. The question said 5 years ago the population was 1600. هذه N ولا P? P, the previous. This year is 1250. This is what? N. So N is 1250 and P is 1600. Let's replace them. This is equal 1250 minus P, which is the previous one, 1600 over 5. هذا هو الاكسبريشن. فاهم يا معاذ؟ فاهم؟ فاهم؟ Yes. أيوة. Now, what we do here, we do up, then divide, right? Up we have subtraction. We prepare the numerator. Now, the 1250 is positive, right? And the 1600 is negative. Different signs. We subtract and put the bigger. What's the bigger sign here? خلاص؟ طيب, down 5. طيب, to subtract, don't make 1250 minus 1600. This is wrong. Why? Because in subtraction of the column subtraction هذا بنحط الكبير من فوق صح؟ Here I'm not subtracting. I'm searching the difference between the two numbers, right? So 9 and 1, what's the difference between them? 8. طب 1 and 9, what's the difference between them? برضو 8. صح ولا لا? So here, when you come to subtract big numbers, don't put the first number always. Here, this one is smaller than this one. You will borrow for the 5 and you will borrow from the 1. This will be 0 and this one. 0 minus 1, how will you get? صح? So what we put up? The bigger number. What's the bigger number? 1600 minus 1250. Subtract. 0 cannot. صح? It will be 4, sorry, 5, 10, 5, 3, 0. 350. مظبوط؟ بس negative. Negative 350 divided by what? By 5. We make division. Negative divided by positive negative. Then divide it will be 70. يعني هلا معقول احكي لك انا انزل على الكلاس اللي هنا I believe you. I believe you. بس ليش زعلان انت؟ انا مصدقك والله. ها يا حبيبنا نيجاتيف 16 بلس 4 مصر يعني انها نيجاتيف 20. انا جيت هون قلت يعني بلكي اعاد تفكير. يا ابني كم مره حكينا different signs in addition and subtraction you subtract and put the bigger sign. كم مره؟ طب مش كتبنا تيبل؟ ليش ما بتحفظوا هالفورمولاز انت؟ انا مش عارف يعني. يلا this is equal 64 positive over negative 32 minus 12, right? Subtract with the bigger sign. صحيح محسن? Now minus minus, it will be what? Positive divided by negative. 64 divided by 32 plus 12. This is question 11. خلينا ناخذ من الاونلاين معلش. يلا. تم يعني مهم. ريان.
Mister, I don't understand number 12.
We are going to solve it now. This is question 11. I will go to 12. You can revise the video and finish copying. But I need to finish the lessons, the questions. Question 12, we have p to the power of 3 over r to the power of 2 minus n plus n multiply p. مظبوط هيك؟ يلا this is equal. معايا ريان؟ ريان راح ريان. طيب p to the power of 3, p is negative 8, means negative 8 to the power of 3 over r power 2, which is 4 to the power of 2, right? Minus M, how much is M? Negative 32 plus N to multiply P, negative 8. I only replace the variables by their numbers. Now let's calculate. Negative 8 to the power of 3, how much? The answer is negative 8 by 8 by 8. 64 multiply 8, 250. 512, right? Over 16. And here we multiply first. 2 by negative 8. Negative 16. مظبوط؟ صح؟ Now this is negative. Negative 32, negative 16, negative 48. So this is equal negative 512 over 4 minus 48. مظبوط؟ صح؟ 16. يا انا قصدها 16 بس القلم خربان. خلاص؟ Now subtract here two negatives, it will be positive. Now let's divide 512 divided by متأكد negative 32 plus 48, how much? Positive بس. Let me check the answer بس. Yes, positive 16. This is a question 8, 9, and here 12, and here 11, and here 14, and here 7. Yes, 11. What? Where? Huh. هذه بوزيتيف وهذه ايش؟ نيجاتيف. Positive and negative. Subtract and put the bigger sign. Check. Which one is bigger? Bigger. The sign of it is negative. So the answer is negative. Now we need to find the difference between these two numbers. But I put 1600 up because it's bigger. In the column, يعني لما تحط numbers فوق بعض مين بنحط من فوق؟ bigger the subtraction صح؟ بس. مظبوط انا كلامي ولا بحكي غلط؟ يس يا احمد. ايه تحليناه يا زلمه. هي 8. هي 8. هذا question 8 شايفه؟ Replace then calculate normal. See guys, they have the same idea by the way. يعني fraction minus parenthesis. Fraction minus parenthesis. طيب. Let me go to the online students again. Yes, Abdul Hamid.
Mister, please go back to question 12. I want to take a screenshot.
12.
Yeah. Thanks.
خلاص. طيب, we have Badr, I think still. Abdul Hamid, if you finish your questions, remove your hands. Remove your hand. طيب, else, yes. روح. Else. Questions, yes. 11. في حدا بده 12؟ خلصنا 12. طب هاي نروح على 11. هاي 11 يلا. else guys any questions بس يرجع ازعل انت الثاني كل واحد يحكي كلمه انه زعلانين مش عارف يحكي معك كلمتين على بعض يا اخي طيب now finish writing انت حر على فكره بفرجيك باخر الحصه شوف يا احمد لا اخر حصتي انا بفرجيك حننزل يس يا عمر خلاص اهدى عمر
Yes.
يس يا مستر
Mister, I don't understand the question 6.
يلا we will do question 6 for you يا عمر sorry question 6 we have 2 حلو الكويشن 2 with multiplied by negative 80 over 4 minus 14 روح عمر
Yes.
all right
What?
Mike Anna we start with the parentheses right
Yes.
يلا 2 multiply how much negative 80 divided by 4
20?
no it's not a 20 it is negative 20 because we have different signs the 4 is positive the 80 is negative negative 20 minus what 14
14.
now we multiply the two numbers positive multiply negative negative 2 by 20 40 minus 14 add and put the same sign 14 plus 40 50
4.
for negative got it
Yes.
else
Nothing.
طيب question 12 يلا هاي 12 تمام لا خلاص هسه بزعل هذا الثاني دمر الدنيا هذا فضح طيب we have online assignment today from 2 p.m. to 11 thank you and we have homework from the test practice so select with me on page وين هذا 173 يلا sorry select with me guys here and online first guys we have online assignment today from 2 p.m. until Saturday expires at 11 p.m. This is the first thing, huh? Now, the second thing, we have homework, page 173. Select with me. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 10, 11, and 12. It's on page 173 and 174. Now, again, guys, don't forget your online assignment and don't forget your homework. This homework, I want it in Sunday. Don't forget that. And this, you have the weekend to solve it. ترجعوا؟ يلا. عمر، بتعرفوا عمر كوشك؟ يلا رجع. done. فهمنا شو عندكم شغل الاسبوع هذا؟ ماله؟ study. Read the question. Read the question and study. Try to understand. Revise the lessons. Watch the videos again. صح؟ خلاص. Yes يا شكري. Yes, we can. والله اسمع زميلك مش سامعه لين. لا. لا يا مستر here division. هذه division. This is division. In the division, if we have different signs, the answer is what? 80 divided by 4 is مش negative 20. So it's not 7. هذه ايش؟ ها. فهمنا؟ Good boy. Else, guys? Any questions? طيب. For the online students, that's all. Thank you so much. See you on Sunday.